So today we have Farid with us. So Farid, we going to do 3-point turn. There are two type of 3-point turn. Okay, one is curb to curb. One is using the driveway. So both 3-point turn, you will get 2 minutes to complete. Okay. So when we do 3-point turn, your testing officer will ask you, do the 3-point turn whenever safe. So they will just tell you, do the 3-point turn on this street whenever safe. So you need to choose the safe place. So don't perform 3-point turn where is too many cars, because you need to go forward, you need to reverse your car, and you need to spend at least 1 to 2 minutes on the road. So find the way where is more clear, because they will say when safe on this street, they will see the street clear, but sometimes few cars. So if you see the car, cross the car, then you stop and make up your mind which one you want to do, curb to curb or using the driveway. So 99% time they will just say perform the 3-point turn. They will not tell you curb to curb or using driveway. So your own choice. So first we're going to do 3-point turn curb to curb. Just follow the step and then you do it. Okay, so whatever I told you, just do it this one and you will see how easy and it's so quick, but you need to follow the step. Okay, so first we're going to do curb to curb. So whenever ready, move off your car from here. Very good. So whenever safe, do 3-point turn.
Can I go on this street? Or?
If I say this street means straight street, whenever safe, this street, because right street gonna be different. So give your signal left, pull away car on the left curb, don't hit the curb. So this is the safe place. Yeah, look, cars there, but it's too far. So this is the safe place. We pull our car on the left side. So this is step 1, signal left, check the always mirror, give a signal left, pull away car. This is step 1. Step 2, signal right and steering all the way right lock. Step 3, check all mirrors and do your head check. Right side, yeah, no one there. Then move your car to the right side. So you can touch the curb, but don't hit. So better don't even touch. So safe side, go as much as close. Very good. Now step 3, change gear to reverse. Step 4, steering all the way left lock. So now we're ready to go back. So what you need to do before you moving your car, check the right and left side, road clear, no one waiting for you. And just before reversing your car, check back of the window. All clear?
Yep.
Now reverse your car. So you can use the camera, otherwise you can use the side mirror, that the blind spot one. Yeah, so keep going more, use more room. Yeah, now stop. Now step 5, signal right and steering all the way right lock and put to the gear drive. Yeah, and before you move, do head check on the left side. Which one is clear for you? You can do from the front or you came the back. Which one? The rear window. Yeah, okay, let's go now. All clear?
Yeah.
Just move on. How's that?
Yeah.
So first thing, when you do 3-point turn, curb to curb or using the driveway, just remember you're gonna change the gear first. So if you wanna change the gear, always change your gear first. Okay. Okay, when safe, do one more time, 3-point turn, curb to curb. So same, signal left, pull away car on the left side. Step 2, signal right and steering all the way right lock. And before you move, central mirror, right mirror and head check. And go close to the curb on the right side. As much as close you can go, yeah? That's it. Step 3, gear to reverse. Steering all the way left lock. Now before you move your car, check on right and left side road. No one there. And before reversing, back of the window. All good? You must have to check physically back of the window, okay? Now release the brake and go reverse your car. Can use the camera as much as close you can go. When you see the red line touching there, that's good. Now change gear to drive. Signal right, steering all the way right lock. Okay, now before you move, head check. Okay, all good?
Okay.
Good to go. How's that?
Yeah. So I just need to, yeah.
Is good?
Yeah, I just need to, I need to practice more. So I can really like memorize it. But yeah.